Hi guys, welcome to this video about how to create a really professional looking good website with a nice website builder for only 99 cents per year. I'm not even talking about 99 cents per month. I'm talking about 99 cents per year. Usually you would have to pay around $10 to $20 for a .com address, and then usually, let's say with Jimdo or similar website builder, a good program, you have to face around $10 per month. So at the end of the year it will accumulate to about $130. If you're a serious business or you're planning for serious business, of course that's not much money, but maybe you are like small guy like me and you want to just try out something. If it works or not, then $130 is still quite some money, and yeah, why not to try it for only 99 cents instead of $130. So here I'm showing you how you can do that. That's not cheating, nothing. It is as it is. It is just a little bit more complicated, but instead of doing this maybe in 10 minutes, it will cost you maybe 1 hour or so, but with my tutorial here maybe 30 minutes or not even that. So here what you see, I'm talking a little bit between, you can do this even faster, but I'm talking a little bit more about to make sure you understand everything. So there are actually two things which usually are not free. So like a top level domain, if you want to have something like www.mytshirtshop.com, that's a top level domain, and this costs money. You have to pay for the URL, like the website, the registrar, that costs usually $10 to $20, and you have to have a hoster. So depends on what your needs are, but you can have a cheap hoster but without website builder, like a premium website builder like Wix or Jimdo or something like that. They ask for about $10 a month for a top level domain. And also the next problem which we have to solve is to get or to show a nice email address to customers. Like you don't want to show a Gmail address or Yahoo address or whatsoever, a Hotmail email address to your customers. Of course you want to show like info@myfirstt-shirt-website.com, and you want to be able to get these emails and to answer these emails with this address and not something which looks silly and unprofessionally for your customers. So here we get, this is Jimdo, and we see what they offer. They have a really pretty good offer. You can save at least the price of the domain, so you get, that's probably 10 or 11 US dollars a month, but it's not much to save. You just save for the domain name. So we have to split the work a little bit up, and we have to get the domain separate and then use a free website builder and then email referral. So there are 3 sites which we have to use. So what I found, GoDaddy, for example, they have a 99 cent domain ad at the moment, and you can click on that and then you get to GoDaddy, and you really can, I've already done this for you. So here I have my own tshirtwebsite.com is available for 99 cents for the first year. So you don't have to make like a multi-year contract or buy any other stuff. It is really 99 cents, but maybe it is about additionally 20 cents for tax and other fees, so you will end up at $1.25 or something like that. But that's really it. So there's nothing more to pay apart from that. So you add it to a cart, then sign in or sign up to GoDaddy, and you pay with the credit card, and then you have your website. So that's the first step. Then we go to a website builder. So we have my preferred website builder, that's Jimdo.com. I mean, it's really good. It has good support. It's easy to handle. It has almost everything. Of course, you don't get everything with the free plan, but you get almost everything. Apart from the top level domain, you get just a subdomain, but it doesn't really matter at the moment. We can go with that. So we choose this on this site. I think it was called Jimdo Free, now it's called Jimdo Play, but anyway, it is free forever. I mean, even when it says build annually, there is nothing to be built. You can start now and you get most of it, but you can see you get just a subdomain. So the website which you build will be called my first t-shirt website .jimdosite.com, something like that, but doesn't have to bother you. So just sign up or log in and then start creating your site. Do everything nicely, so like a professional site will look. I mean, they have really good templates. So here we see a few of the templates. They are looking really nice. I don't know why I can't go down, but they are pretty cool, especially when we really click on that. Then you can hopefully see how it looks. So you can see they have really good design. So this is a rather simple design, but sometimes it has really good like graphics effects, and so this is a nice one, but not really super fancy, but it is absolutely decent looking, professional, and this is what you get for free. Of course not top level, but subdomain doesn't matter anyway. So as soon as you have finished your website, let's say on Jimdo, you go again to godaddy.com, your domain, where you have both your nice t-shirt website.com site. You go to domains, domain management, you click on here, and then you click on forward domain, and here you have to specify the Jimdo free site which you have made, like you say HTTPS, and then you specify, you enter your subdomain of Jimdo free, and you say click on permanent and forward with a mask, so nobody will see that they will be on the subdomain. When they click on, let's say, or when they enter your name, your normal top level domain name, I mean, maybe you have an ad or another referral, or they enter just your full name, they will be guided to the Jimdo free website, but they won't see that. So when you activate forward with masking, they don't see that. They will just see the www.mytshirtwebsite.com. That's pretty cool. I've already done that. That works. I'm not doing anything now. I have already done it. I mean, of course, it will take a moment, maybe give it an hour or so until all the DNS forwarding things have been updated on the servers. It could be when you try right away it won't work, so give it a little bit of time, maybe 1 or 2 hours. After that it should work easily. Now it gets a little bit more tricky with the email, because on hosters, I mean not hosters like the URL providers like GoDaddy, they don't accept usually free email provider to be hooked up with your top level domain. I mean, they accept a lot of paid email providers like Yahoo Pro or the Gmail, I mean not the free Gmail but the G Suite from Google. They accept actually all the pay or most of the paid email providers but not the free ones. So we have to do a trick. We go to improve MX. By the way, I will put down all the links into the description anyway, you don't have to write it down. So I will put down the link to improve MX. MX is the token for the mail exchange, forwarding or whatsoever. So we go to this site and here we can already enter the domain name, I mean the www.mytshirtwebsite.com, and then you enter your Gmail address here where you want to get your emails from your customers, and then you create these free alias. And after that, when you confirm that, you get to the next site of improve MX, and here you get the information which you need to add it on, like sites like GoDaddy. Here you have also the connection. It doesn't do, this button doesn't do anything, it's just to connect to GoDaddy if you don't want to open it on a separate tab, so you don't need that actually here. Then second thing, you can delete previous MX entries, of course, if you have already done this. I mean, if you're following my video tutorial, you haven't done anything, so you just have to add these values. So copy and paste these values maybe to a notepad so you can copy it from there. So here back on godaddy.com, we have to enter these values. We go again to the domain overview, we click here and then we select DNS manage DNSSEC DS records. And yeah, here we are on the top. I think we have to go up. Yeah, here we have these records. And the one which we need, or two, we need actually the MX record. So this is where it has, I mean, yeah, when you open it for the first time, there are no MX records. You have to click on add and then you select MX, I mean, yeah, here, and then you have to enter host, that's the add, the, yeah, this sign here, and then points to, yeah, whatever you have. I mean, that's the MX1 here, and then priority I have been giving 10. I'm not sure if this is correct, but I have done it and nothing. So the first, that's the first value, the MX1, and then you save it and then you add another one for the MX2. And I have done it with priority 20. I was not sure because it was somehow listed here, but I'm not sure about that. Yeah, but it says actually priority 10 and 20, so I have done similar to what was written here, and I have tested that after that. I mean, you can, when you log into this site, after that you can send a test email and it will be sent to, you can like info at your tshirtwebsite.com. It will be sent there and then it will be forwarded to your Gmail address, and if everything is correct then you should get your email. I mean, by the way, this website is totally free. I don't know why, I have to still to find out, but I have been looking for some information if this could be a dangerous site or whatsoever, and I didn't find anything. I've found people using this for months and years, and it looks to be really free and reliable and no problem at all. So, and we are now close to the end of everything. The only thing what's missing now, if you need that, you can now you can also send your emails using SMTP from Gmail. I mean the real business email name, like from info@mytshirtwebsite.com. You can send emails using this. Here is the exact instructions, and if you do that, I mean, I'm not going to show you how to do that. These are really nice instructions here. If you are following exactly these instructions here, you should be able to do that. So when you open your Gmail, then and you are sending, before you send the Gmail, you can select from which email account you want to send, and then choose just your professional looking email from your t-shirt website or whatsoever, and instead of your normal Gmail address, and then this should work. Okay, I mean, I think everything worked. I have to admit that I haven't done this step now. I will do this tomorrow, but I don't think there will be any problem. It's just a couple of steps. Everything else, I mean, everything apart from that, like doing the GoDaddy, then the free Jimdo website, and then the forwarding, and also the email forwarding. I have done everything tonight in very short time, worked everything really good, so I don't expect any problem with that. But I wanted to make just the tutorial before I forget everything. So yeah, so that's it for now. I think we are close to 20 minutes. That's enough. Again, I will put down all the link which you need, and it should be possible to do everything for maybe $1.25 or something like that. And I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, just let me know in the feedback area down below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.